Look here, straightened, nice loose wave, you choose. Got my girls' Ywigs here. I'll leave the link down below to this BOHO human hair so you can go get yours. I was in 3 packs of body wave texture. It's in the length 20 inches, and this is the BOHO human hair. It's a lot of hair in this one bundle. Look how luscious it is. All right, so it's been about 2 hours and I have 3 rows completed. And I have this really bright idea to straighten this hair. Like I've always said, yeah, you can straighten your BOHO human hair, but I've never straightened it. I only straightened one piece one time. So when it's all done, I can go through and straighten it. But I want to show you guys how I braid one in the back. So let me show you exactly how I do one in the back. Braid edge control. Of course, I'm all around the perimeter of my section. I like to go ahead and section that into 3. And then, so I'm just sectioning my hair as I go. And like the little section of hair that I have right here, I like to just use a little clip for easy access. And then the rest of the hair is right here from this bundle. This is still the first bundle. And then of course still using my braid gel, put that on the end of the hair and section that off. What I like to do is I already have my arms around how they would be for the remainder of the braid. So first, here's my 3 sections of hair. Starting off braiding with my natural hair, and then I go in and add the pieces of boho hair. Really simple and easy. You see I'm getting to the end of my natural hair here. I'll go in and make sure all of the braids have boho hair attached to it, and then just braid it down until I'm past my natural hair, and there we go. Cut the little extra flyaways if needed, and that's it. And now you see here how the braids are all flat and neat. So basically I hold my hands the same way that I do when I'm braiding in the front. I braid down underhand, as well as in the back I braid down underhand. And when I get in the middle, I do struggle a little bit, but I just be ready to break my neck, girl. Just like, yeah, till I get past it. So yeah, let's pull everything out. Like, I love my hair being pre-sectioned. Yes, you look at it, you like, girl, what are you gonna do with those parts? Take the braid loose completely, add edge control all around, and then proceed with my braid. Look real nice and neat. This is all of the first bundle. All right, so this is 2 packs. And here I am ready to start on my last and final bundle. 2 rows on each side. Let's get to it. So the ones at the top, I'm using 10 to 11 pieces of hair about this size. And that is with me spreading the hair out a lot. Like the first 3 rows, I was using maybe like 4 or 5 pieces of hair per braid. See here, I only had like 3 pieces of hair coming out. And then like my middle, I was using between 5 and 8 pieces of hair. Here I have like 4 pieces of hair coming out plus the end pieces. The end pieces always end with 3. And then, like I said, the ones in the front, using between like 9 and 11 strands of hair. And this one has 7 pieces of curly hair coming out of the braid, plus finishing with 3 more or so. That was the way I was able to fit 3 bundles of body wave 20-inch hair into my braids. And I want to say I have 76 braids because I've reused this braiding pattern a lot. So really quick recap, this style took me a total of 2 days to braid my hair, and I would say it took about 12 hours from start to finish. As you have been seeing, I haven't used any glue or anything to put at the ends of my braids. They just stay in there, honey, What I like to mention is to keep my braids from unraveling, I just braid past my natural hair, honestly, which my natural hair is not that long, so I don't have too far to braid. And for whatever reason, honestly, it just stays. But every time I do boho braids and I don't add glue or anything, but I have on this black shirt and you can see my hair, but you can't see it. So I'll be back. All right, so here's the finished look. And again, this is 20-inch body wave bulk human hair. Gorgeous, I love it. Side part eats down. I love when I do my makeup real cute and I just can't stop looking at myself. And baby, don't let me do my makeup and my hair is done. I'm like, where can I go? I be walking Demi and Demi always get attention. Every time we walk past somebody want to touch us. And I be like, oh, Demi is like one attention whore. Like she just gravitates the attention. But when I do my makeup and I do my hair and I be want to go out and be seen, I'm like, wait a minute. She get it from her mama because I guess I am the original OG attention whore. You may be like, Target, don't talk about your stuff like that. It's not that deep to me. But look at the curls. Look at the hair. It's gorgeous. Here it is from the back. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, so let me comb it out just a little. I put that dry shampoo on it and I feel like it got a little dry. Not much shedding, but I did get like a little braid and all at this point. That's gorgeous. Look at this. Okay. Like, pull it all out at once and then go like that. It looked like this is how I installed the hair, straightened. Like, look here, straightened, nice loose wave. You choose. Clock it. This smells so good. And then the fact I only paid $3.99 for this. All right, in love with this hair straightened. It looks so good. It looks so good. Okay, so